How to close Google Form responses. If you want to stop accepting responses for your Google form, then simply follow these simple and easy steps. First of all, open the Google web browser and go to the Google Form official website. Now, once in there, all you have to do is select the form you want to close. Now, inside the form, all you have to do is tap on the Publish option available at the top right corner of your screen. And inside Publish, toggle off the Accepting Responses option available there. After you toggle it off, you will see a message: this form is no longer accepting responses. So, in order to check it, you can simply tap on the Publish option available again. And inside Publish, you will get to see the responder link option available. Copy the responder link and open the new tab and paste it in the search address bar, and here you can see that the form is no longer available. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.